The standard form of quadratic equations is y equals to ax²+bx+c, where a, b, and c are constants. This standard form is also called the general form. Then the vertex form of quadratic equations is y equals to a into bracket x minus h all squared plus k, where the vertex, also called the turning point, has the coordinates h, k. Welcome once again to this channel, and in this math tutorial we'll show you how to express quadratic equations in the vertex form. To express y equals to 2x² minus 12x plus 15 in vertex form, we group the 2x², the x² term, and the x terms, and factor the number which is common to them, that is the constant which they have in common. This constant is 2, so this becomes y equals to 2 into brackets x² minus 6x, then plus 15 on the far right outside the bracket. The next step is to add and subtract the value, the constant which makes x² minus 6x in the bracket a perfect square. If you are here to see a tutorial on how to complete the square of a quadratic expression by adding a constant, check the link in the description box below. It is right there. Now this becomes y equals to 2 into bracket x² minus 6x. Now the constant to add to make this a perfect square is the square of half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is negative 6. Half of it is minus 3, so we'll be adding and at the same time subtract the square of negative 3 to the terms in the bracket. So that makes it as if nothing has been done on it, or it's like adding 0, then plus 15. This becomes y equals to 2 into bracket x² minus 6x plus negative 3 squared minus 9, when we take the square of the last negative 3 squared, then plus 15. The next thing is to take this out of the bracket, the negative 9. However, before going out of the bracket, it will be multiplied by 2, which was factored out earlier. So that we have y equals to 2 into bracket x² minus 6x plus negative 3 squared. Then minus 18 is what that becomes, plus 15. This thus becomes y equals to 2 with the expression in the bracket factoring out as a perfect square as x minus 3 all squared. Then minus 18 plus 15 gives minus 3. This is the quadratic equation in vertex form. Comparing this with the vertex form, which is y equals to a into bracket x minus h squared plus k, it can be seen that the vertex or the turning point is the point 3, minus 3. Now that you have seen how to express quadratic equations in vertex form, can you try this out and comment with your solutions in the comment box below? Do leave your questions and what you would like to see in our next video. Do not forget to subscribe so that when our next tutorial comes out, you will be duly notified. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.